etc. Today I'm dressed as a British soldier from the American Revolutionary War. The weapon that I have here is a smoothbore musket. The way that this weapon works, when I pull the trigger, this piece of flint stone right here flies forward. It scrapes down this piece of steel, creating sparks. Those sparks fly forward, creating sparks, that steel flies forward, creating sparks. Those sparks land on a trail of gunpowder leading inside the weapon, which will then ignite the main charge inside, make everything go boom out the business.
好，所以这边呢，先生穿的是1770年代的时候，当时美国和英国打仗的独立战争时间，英国人的士兵的衣服哈，也俗称叫龙虾装哈。好，然后呢，这个枪是当时他所用的一个火枪哈，这个火枪呢主要是两个部分，一个是撞针的部分，产生一个火花，那会儿会放一些药粉，然后剩余的药粉的话呢会放在那个枪管里边，然后一个推力进行另一个推力，当然展示的时候不会放那个当时那个弹珠哈，只是来听声哈，不打人的哈。
The way I'm going to load is I'm going to take a cartridge from my cartridge pouch. What this is a paper tube filled with gunpowder. I'm going to rip this open with my teeth, pour some powder into the pan, and pour the rest down the barrel.
好，当时的人呢就是这样的，用纸把这个药粉包起来，用牙咬掉完吐出去，然后倒进去哈。这个枪哈，天气不好的时候不太好用哈，基本上50米远都打不准，所以当时都一排人来打这个枪。天气干燥潮湿哈，闷热的时候经常打不响。今天天气好哈，风还可以。
All right, so now I'm loading, ready to fire. So on the count of 1, 2, 3.
Roll.
下1、2、3哈。
开枪了。
1,
2,
3.
Oh.
And that's how that works.
Boom. Awesome.
Enjoy the fort. Have a lovely day.